Yes, the end is near, especially for football fans of our generation. You know, there's a saying in Japanese, mono no aware, bittersweet awareness of impermanence, the feeling you get before something beautiful is about to end. And that is what exactly 2026 Football World Cup is. All the greats of the game, all the legends that we, our generation, grew up watching, the players that we fought for, cried for, stayed awake in the nights for, are playing their last World Cups, and most of them are already out of this tournament. Exactly the feeling that we are getting is Mono no Aware. Manuel Neuer, Luka Modric, Guillermo Ochoa, Neymar Jr., and finally, one of the greatest of all time, Cristiano Ronaldo. We have watched them play for the last time in the Football World Cup. In Bengali, there's a similar word to it, Nobomi Nishi. It's the night before the Durga Doshami, where we know that the pujo is over, the pujo that we wait for the whole year. পুজো আসছে পুজো আসছে পুজো আসছে নবমীর রাতে রিয়েলাইজ করি পুজো শেষ, ঠাকুর থাকবে কতক্ষণ, ঠাকুর যাবে বিসর্জন. Football fans of our generation, we have reached Navami Nishi. We are feeling Mono no Aware. It was a fun ride, guys. It was worth fighting for, it was worth staying awake for. Nonetheless, all of us enjoyed. Cheers, guys. Football has been more than a game for all of us.